guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lillian Space, and for my new subscribers, you're highly welcome, and for my old subscriber, thank you for tuning in. And today's video is going to be all about cleaning. As you know, India is still on lockdown due to the pandemic, and I've not really taken out time to do a proper cleanup. So today I'll be sharing with you, in as much as my little one is here. Yes, I'll be trying to manage to clean with him alongside. You know, it's not going to be easy, but I will try my best in order to clean this house with him. I'm only going to do the living room section because I can't probably do all of them once. Yes, so I'm just going to concentrate more on the living room, and also I'll be carrying you guys, I'll be telling you guys my experience, my first examination, what happened to me, why I clean. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. So guys, I'll be showing you guys what the living room looks like now. Actually, it's not looking that bad, but I know within myself that it's dirty. Yes, it might be dusty and all of that. So I need to clear up. This is my baby seat, so I need to clear up some things. Yes, so I need to dust the seats. As you can see, things are just lying everywhere. Some places are too dusty, and I believe under the seats are also maybe things must have fallen under the seats, so I need to move them so that I can be able to retrieve and whatever it might be, whatever might have fallen under the seat. Yes, so this guy here, he will be playing while I get busy. She say hi. Say hi. Hey. Come. 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 So he started walking, and here we are. We're actually preparing for his birthday. His birthday is on the 6th of July. So because of the lockdown, I wanted to take a photo shoot, but I really can't risk it. So I have to do the photo shoot myself. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope and I pray that it turns out well, because this is his first birthday and I wanted it to be a very nice one, but situation calls for another thing, so I just have to do it for myself. I have to do it my own way and do the shooting. I hope I don't mess up. So let's go in and start cleaning. We don't have much time. I believe in a few minutes time he'll be hungry, so let me just be fast. And I'll also be telling you guys my story in India, why I failed my exam. Yes. So now I gave him something so that I gave him banana so he can be eating and keeping himself busy. So when I came to India, I came to study, and what happened was that actually I think that the system of education in India was totally different from one, and the of examination. So I used to think that when you ask me a question, go straight to the point and just answer the question and move on. But unfortunately, I was wrong. I was so wrong. So what happened is that you expect something, not just giving an answer, but going into full details. Yes, you go into full details about the question that's being asked you. So I was thinking, okay, the first exam, ask me the first exam I wrote. Normally in my college they do have 4 sets of exams they have to write. One have to take you ready to write the university exam. So the first one is quiz, which is like normal test. Yes, it's like normal test in Nigeria, which you should write. And then but in this aspect, they just use it as a test reading. Yes, so that was the first exam I had to do. So that was already complaining that he wants to get out of his seat. So I'm going to find another method that I'm still going to use to make sure I clean everywhere. So this is what I have to deal with in order to, if I hold him at the back like African moms, they tie them, but he struggles a lot. He don't like being held back, so it's quite difficult for me. Since he started walking, he don't like he don't like anyone holding him, so just let him free and you can do your thing. But just know that your camera will not be standing one place. So you leave it. Leave it. So this is the finished look. I just finished cleaning the whole place, and my little boy is here trying to mess it up again. Now I'm preparing breakfast for my son so that he can eat. He loves eating noodles, and I added fish so that to act as protein for him. So he's almost done, and why I feed him, I'll be telling you people the rest of the story. As you know, he didn't allow me to do much, so that was it. Guys, we finished eating, and I said let me finish up what I was doing. So from where I stopped, actually India's system of education is very, very crazy. Like, you need to work hard, like seriously. When I came here, I was thinking, normally I was in university in Nigeria before I came here, but because I came here, I had to start all over again. Please pardon me, my baby is here with me, so I know he'll be giving me a lot of disturbance. So hearing any noise, just know that he's the one that is making this noise. Yes, the system of education is very, very, will I say, strict or very, very hard. Yes, so you have to study very, very well. Try to understand what you read. Don't come and say you entered the exam hall and forgot. Don't forget, my dear. If you forget, you're your own. So when I came, I was actually in a university in Nigeria before I came here. In my college, we have 5 exams. My college is affiliated to a university. So at end of every semester, we used to write the university exam. four sections of exams that we write. We have the quiz, we have the pre-final exam, we have the college exam, then we write the university exam. Yeah, these four exams are really important. So when I came here actually I thought it's just that the normal system we use in Nigeria, every education is the same as long as you read your books. So normally in Nigeria, whenever they ask you a question, you go straight to the point. The lecturer don't have time to be wasting on your book. So you go straight to the point, hit the nail on the head, and give them what they want. No need to be running round and round and round. So when I gained admission in India, the first exam I wrote, I was surprised the way my friends, my classmates were writing. They were writing. I was kind of, what are they writing? Is it not the same question that I'm writing that they are writing? They were writing. I finished writing. I was just looking. It was as if I was the only one that finished in the hall. I didn't even know that. I don't know what is happening. So as I was saying, so I didn't know that I didn't know what was going on in the exam hall. Everybody were just busy writing, while I just went straight to the point, hit the nail on the head, and then I was done. So when the result came out, I found out that I failed. Yeah, actually I failed. No need. I failed the exam throughout the whole. I think the first, because due to I didn't get the information on time on how to write the exams. So I was just thinking I was doing the right thing, writing all the whole exam. But when the script came out, I failed all my papers. Yeah, the quiz exam I wrote, I failed all of them. And that I failed is not that I'm not getting the question, but I'm not giving full information, because they score it. It's not like they give you good that you pass. They grade it with numbers. So if the question is like 10, I won't even get up to 2, because I probably did not say anything. So I failed. Yeah, I failed. And the answer sheet, the question, the mark is 75. And just imagine me, out of all the whole questions, I'm not even able to get up to 20. I'm not able to score up to 20%. So the thing, when I got my script, I was so surprised at the way my grades went down. Asked my lecturers, like, why am I getting this mark? Only for me to find out that actually in Indian system of education, when you want to answer a question, you have to calm down. Don't rush. Make sure you read your book very well. I don't mean flipping your book just to know the definition or the types. I mean reading it line by line, paragraph by paragraph. Anything you see there, the full stop, make sure you read it. So when if they ask you a question, let me take for an example, what is a pen? My brothers and sisters, don't just go there and just write a pen is an object used for writing. If you try that, the failure that is waiting for you is warming up, like seriously warming up, waiting for you to land. Because as you land, it will compress you on the floor. So if they ask you what is a pen, you have to calm down, take a deep breath, and then you start. How do I mean? You start with introduction, my sisters. Introduction, my brother. Is so anybody saying hallelujah? Am I hearing hallelujah from someone? Yes. You have to start with introduction. When you start, you have to make sure you highlight it, like you write introduction with black pen. Then you will now start your introduction. What will your introduction be? Your introduction will be production, as in who was the first person that Your introduction will be, who was the first person that used pen? Who even thought about? Then you now go to, let me just assume that everything in your head has finished, and then that is just your question number 1A. You have not answered question number 1B. If they say you're supposed to, if there are 3 questions in one, and then they say you should answer 2 out of the 3, my dear, you have already finished 2.5 pages or even 3 pages, and you are still in number. And don't be surprised you are going to be asked about 5 questions and you're still in number 1. My dear, it's not easy. If you are really serious about studying in India, you have to be devoted, especially when it comes to studies, because if you don't bend, they will bend you. It is the truth when it comes to the system, how they study. They really study very hard here, and you must pass as long as you're following these procedures. You must pass, because once you are able to study word by word, line by line, you can't tell me you not know what to write. So that is just it. That was my experience when I came. I didn't know, and I failed my exam for the first time. I failed, and it really touched me. I was really feeling very bad. So so thank you very much for watching and sharing thank you very much for watching my video. So I'll be signing off now because my baby isn't letting me continue with this video. In my next video, I'll be sharing my experience in India, especially I'll be sharing some of my experiences in India. I'll be sharing some of my experiences in India, especially my embarrassing moments. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Always subscribe, hit the notification bell, click the like button, and also comment on the section below. Don't forget to share my videos out there so that we can get more family members. Thank you, and I love you guys for always supporting me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.